Wrong person, sorry. There we go.
I'm gonna play Minuet in G minor today by Bach.
All right, that was Kayla playing Bach's Minuet in G minor. All right, so I'm going to restart the poll again, so you guys can fill that out. And then if you have any verbal feedback, you can just raise your hands. Let me know. Vivian, if you want to go ahead.
I think you have very good dynamics in this piece. Maybe go over it with a matrix because it's still a bit bumpy, and then have more dynamic and pretty good articulation.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Yeah, Julia.
I agree with Vivian, but like we couldn't really see the body movement because like we couldn't even see your face. So yeah, just move the camera, and I think you should work a bit on the balance. I'm not too sure if Vivian already said that, but yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I definitely agree with both those points. All right, so the poll is filled out, so I'll share that now. So in terms of dynamics, it was between 2, 3, and 4, with 3 votes for 4, 3 votes for okay, and 1 vote saying it needs some work. Overall, the dynamics are pretty okay, but at the very end, I think just that piano was a major section that I noticed that it got louder. So just kind of expressing that at the very end, those last 8 bars. And then articulation, yeah, we had 4 votes for pretty okay, and then 2 votes for pretty good. And yeah, I don't think there was any major issues with articulation that I heard. So balance was between 2, 3, and 4. 1 vote for 2, and 2 votes for 3, and 3 votes for 4. So that probably averaged out to kind of a 3. So yeah, I'd say in terms of balance, there were a few sections where the left hand did feel a little bit heavy in some sections. So kind of, we can definitely work on how to balance that out, definitely. Phrasing was mostly a 3, 1 vote for 2, 1 vote for 4. We don't really work on phrasing because it's stage 2, but yeah, for what it was, I didn't hear too many major issues. Although there was a little bit, like Vivian mentioned, a little bit bumpy. And then movement was kind of all over because we could only see our hands. So definitely make sure at the next performance seminar to have it so then we can see your entire body when you're performing as well. Right. So I'll stop sharing those and I will share that later on with you. Yeah. Right.